In this session, we are starting Chapter 3 Atoms and Molecules of Class 9, and we will be mainly talking about laws of chemical combination. The contents are introduction of the chapter and the two laws of chemical combination, that is law of conservation of mass and law of constant proportion. Children, Maharishi Kanad, he was the first one who told that all the matter it is made up of Parmanu and this cannot be further divided. Pakuda Katyayam, he also said that these Parmanus they combine and they form the different kinds of substances. Democritus and Leucippus also told the same thing. They said that the matter, if you keep on dividing it, then a stage will come when particles cannot be divided further. Antoine L. Lavoisier, he was the first one who gave the important laws of chemical combination on the basis of the experiments which he has performed. Law of conservation of mass. Law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction. Antoine Lavoisier was a French chemist and he worked during the French Revolution. He named some gases like hydrogen and oxygen and he set the metric system in France. He was executed by revolutionaries in 1794. Here is an activity to prove the law of conservation of mass. In this activity, we take a conical flask and in that we take solution of sodium sulfate. With the help of a thread, we will hang an ignition tube in the conical flask which is filled with solution of barium chloride. We'll put the cork so that the substances which are formed in the reaction do not escape. The second step, after the arrangement of this experimental setup, we are going to take the weight, that is W1. The next step is we are going to tilt this conical flask and allow these two solutions, the solution of barium chloride and solution of sodium sulfate, to get mixed. We will observe that a reaction will occur and white precipitate of barium sulfate will be formed. Now we are going to take the weight again, that is W2. We will observe that W1 is equal to W2, which proves the law of conservation of mass, which states that the mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. There are various other combinations also of substances which can be used instead of barium chloride and sodium sulfate, and the combinations are given here: copper sulfate and sodium carbonate. We can also take lead nitrate and sodium chloride. The steps of the activity is shown over here also. Law of constant proportion. The law of constant proportion states that in a chemical substance, the elements are always present in a definite proportion by mass. For example, if we consider water, then it consists of hydrogen and oxygen. And the proportion of hydrogen and oxygen is 1:8 by mass. This water we can take from anywhere, like if we take it from well or from a river or from a pond or from sea and ocean. Everywhere the ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in water is 1:8. So this completes the first part of the chapter. I hope you have understood this